The following tutorial describes how to create a margin and select material and manufacturing devices in CEREC on DS Core. Let's begin. Let's plan the crown. Every crown requires a margin around the prepped area. In DS Core, this step, along with the orientation of the scan model axis, is automatically calculated with AI, and the workflow assistant typically just asks to confirm and review the margin. The toolbar still offers to quickly jump backwards and review, refine, recalculate, or redo the margin. In case the margin needs to be refined, simply double-click on the margin and close the line with a double-click again. With this step finalized, the next step is to select the material, which also adds to icons to the toolbar, material and device, and material parameters. The material selection includes embedded intelligence, as the system makes recommendations based on previous treatments. This case is preset with CEREC Zircon 4D, due to a similar case with a restoration in the molar teeth area using the CEREC Prime Mill and CEREC Zircon 4D. Additionally, the parameters have been added into this steps to position every necessary element at a glance when making the material selection. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about Nudi's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.